So, nagpo-promote si Paolo Villones ng extra challenge. So, may partner kami ni Lynn na sasaluhan namin ng whatever was in a box in front of us, pero nakapiling kami. So, kung ano yung nasa box, iaabot mo doon sa partner, tapos itatabi ng partner paramihan. Hindi ko siya makuha ko kasi mga palaka pala.
Yeah.
So, 0. Tapos yung partner ko, I think it's Pecto. I can't remember who exactly. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, kahit isa lang, kahit isa lang. Si Lynn, wala. Palaka.
Pero umiiyak na ako.
Talagang salo siya. Tapos ang pinaka naalala ko, yung crew namin, astig na astig sila sa akin kasi dahil game plan ako eh. Tapos ni 0 wala ako. Tapos pag nadadaan ako sila, gumagad pa sila sa akin. Wala ka pala eh.
Nagtatampuhan kayo?
Oh! 25 years, it's a family eh, di ba? Kayo, ikaw at saka pamilya mo nagkakatampo. Kahit na hindi mo na maalala what it was about,
but there was.
It happens. And tapos biglang, okay, let's move on. Ganun naman eh. We don't really, we never fight. Kailangan ba? May asawa.
Okay lang.
Katuwa.
Nag-date at saka nag-date lang naman.
Okay, Hans Montenegro. He is, and he's a very nice, funny guy.
And he is
so smart.
Wonderful person.
Whip smart.
Wonderful person.
Whip smart.
He's like our father in a way. He's like the tito of the group.
I mean, are you all afraid of Arnold Clavio?
Afraid is not the word for
What
we
is the word?
respect him.
That's good.
We respect his authority, we respect what he says. But at the same time, he always naman, parang nakikinig naman siya sa amin eh. Although he's stubborn also. Pero he would, parang he would listen to us and what we think also.
Para sa inyong dalawa, huli. Hear it, sing it.
Sing it.
Busy morning, lazy morning.
Lazy
Sa unang
morning.
hear it, sino ang pinakamaagang pumasok?
Ate Sue.
Wow, both. Laging late.
Ako. Yung totoo ako. Sorry naman. Si Anjo. Si Anjo.
Laging inaantok.
Si Kuya Lar dati.
Pinakamalakas magkape.
Oh my gosh.
Si Igan dati, pero ikaw rin malakas ka rin.
Oo.
Pinakamalakas
Attorney
mag-asar.
Gabby. Mang Asar.
Si Igan.
Yes.
Lynn, sa mga na-interview mong international stars, kanino ka pinaka-starstruck?
Hugh Jackman.
Wow!
Pogi niya eh! Sasabawa ka ng abs.
Pinaka-nabanguhan ka?
Brad Pitt.
Oh my
Kasi
God.
I sniffed him. I actually sniffed him up to here.
Did he know that you sniffed him?
He was the one who did this. Panoorin ko ang video.
Pinaka-nabaitan?
Paul Rudd.
Pinaka-na-turn off?
Eddie Murphy.
Isa sa mga workout, sino?
Si Attorney Gabby kasi ayaw niya.
Your daily Susie problem, ano?
Woo! Traffic? Malayo bahay ko eh.
Guilty or not guilty? Nagdahilan para di pumasok?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nagkagusto sa iisang lalaki?
Not guilty. Medyo.
Guilty or not guilty? May nakadate na co-host ng unang hearing? Happiness and chocolate.
Happiness.
Best side for happiness.
Every day.
Complete this. Unang hearing is...
Home life.
Happiness, syempre, long life, and ma-celebrate niya with the people that he loves the most. Yun naman.
Happiness and chocolates. Have it all, Tito Boy. Have it all.
Yes.
Merry Christmas.
Saya. Diba? I didn't expect kasi I don't really like guesting anymore now that I'm old.
She never liked it even when she was young. So parang I don't...
Hindi ako sanay kasi. I mean, unang hirit is my home and I like being in comfortable places, but outside that hindi masyado. But he made us feel comfortable and relaxed. So, and I'm with my friends, so everything is good.
Tsaka parang 20 minutes, parang lumipas lang siyang... Parang kami napadaan lang talaga dito. Tito Boy, thank you so much for the warm welcome. And of course, we're celebrating the 25th anniversary of Unang Hirit with us.
Yay.
Thank you.
Thank you.